You ever look at your bank account and think, I can't afford to invest? What if I told you your spare change, the stuff you forget about, could be your first step toward building wealth? Today, I'm breaking down 5 apps that turn your everyday purchases into investments. No suits, no jargon. Just smart money moves for real people. Welcome back to Street Smart Finance, where we do flip the script on money and make investing accessible for the hustle class. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck, stacking side hustles, or just starting your financial journey, this channel is built for you. Let's dive into 5 apps that help you invest with spare change, starting with the one that started it all. First up, Acorns. Acorns links to your debit or credit card and rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change gets automatically invested into a diversified portfolio. Buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns rounds it to $4 and invests the 50 cents. You don't even notice it, but over time it adds up. It's perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach. Bonus. Acorns offers educational content and retirement accounts too. Think of it as your financial autopilot. Next, Stash. Stash lets you invest in fractional shares of big-name companies with as little as $1. You can also set up automatic roundups like Acorns, but what makes Stash unique is its educational vibe. It teaches you as you go, breaking down investing terms, strategies, and even offering personalized guidance. You can choose themed portfolios like clean energy or tech titans based on your values. It's like investing with training wheels and a GPS. Third, Robinhood. Robinhood doesn't do roundups, but it's a great next step once you've built up a little cash. You can buy fractional shares, trade stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, all commission-free. It's sleek, fast, and gives you full control. But here's the warning. Robinhood is powerful, and with power comes responsibility. Don't treat it like a casino. Use it to build, not gamble. Start small, stay consistent, and learn before you leap. Fourth, Public. Public is like Robinhood with a social twist. You can follow other investors, see what they're buying, and even share your own moves. It's transparent, community-driven, and great for learning from others. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, and crypto, all with fractional shares. Plus, Public doesn't sell your data to market makers, which means more transparency in pricing. If you want to invest and connect, Public is your spot. Last but not least, Cash App investing. If you already use Cash App to send money, you're halfway there. Cash App lets you buy fractional shares of stocks directly from your balance. It's simple, clean, and perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes in without downloading another app. You can start with $1, track your portfolio, and keep everything in one place. It's investing made frictionless. Now let's zoom out. Why does this matter? Because investing isn't about how much you start with, it's about starting. Spare change investing builds habits. It turns passive spending into active wealth building. It's not flashy, it's not fast, but it's real. And for low-income earners, it's a gateway to financial literacy, ownership, and long-term growth. These apps aren't magic, they're tools. And in your hands, they become powerful. So here's your challenge. Pick one app and start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for a raise. Start with your spare change and build from there. Because every dollar you invest is a vote for your future. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your favorite app, and share this with someone who needs it. And if you want to wear your mindset, check out our merch store on Zazzle Street Smart Investor, where hustle meets legacy. Until next time, stay smart, stay invested, and stay building.